Okay, folks, I'm going to try to talk louder. So I'm gonna just show you how to build a house with windows, but we're gonna do it my way. And my way, you never copy parts. All right, so let's get this thing a little bit bigger. So size 38, 1, 2. So we'll leave the Y as 1. But let's make this thing like 64 by 32. Okay, so there's our house, and you know me, I don't like working with plastic. This doesn't really reflect the light very well. We got concrete. Don't like gray, so we'll make it something else. All right, so here we go. So watch how quickly I build this house. We're going to use, make sure in model your collisions are off. And so we're just going to duplicate this, Command D, and then we're going to take this new one, put it over here, make it taller. Look at that. And then we'll make it this tall. And then I'll Command D it again. We'll drag one over to this side. And notice I'm not creating anything, or I'm not copying and pasting and making new parts. I'm just taking the old parts and duplicating them. Alright, so we'll take this, Command D, take the new one, push it over there, make it tall. So, and then we'll do Command D, one last one, bring it over here, make it tall. Alright, so that's like pretty much how I build everything. Now let's put like a big beautiful windows and maybe a door. Alright, so we're going to Command D this one, and then we will put half of it over there and put half of it over here. Oh my gosh, look at that, there's a door. And then we don't want the door to go all the way up to the roof, so Command D, and then we will go boop, and then we'll go like this. Look at that cool door. Let's move it over a little bit. So put the door here, and let's color these parts differently. How about some wood? Where's wood planks? Yeah, wood planks. And we'll make wood color. Alright, now for the window. So let's take this one and we will Command D it, bring this way over here, take this one, bring this over here. It's going to be like a big bay window. Take this one, Command D it, put its new clone down here, and you can go and kind of clean these up so you don't have the parts overlapping. I think it needs to go down one. Alright, so that's the big bay window. Let's put some glass in the window. So we'll do this one, Command D, slide it over, and we'll change the material to glass. And then we'll make the color kind of like that color, a little blue, and then we'll change the transparency so you can see through it. So, and now we'll size it perfectly. Right there, right there. And so that is pretty much how I build everything, by just duplicating parts and never making new parts. So we got a glass window there, and yeah, you can play with the reflectance, with the transparency, and make it really windowy. But that way, if you're running around, you can see the window, but you can't go through it, but you can go through the door. All right, please subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize my channel.